Happy Friday. Y'all, my break has officially began. Today is Friday, December 19th. It is my daddy's birthday. Rest in peace, Daddy. I don't feel sad. I'm happy. I feel blessed. Y'all, this was my daddy's favorite song. In the last vlog, I think it was like a couple of vlogs ago, I told y'all it was the first round of playoffs for my girl. Well, her team won. Matter of fact, they won all 5 rounds. So we are headed to the state championship. I'm excited because my baby is a freshman varsity cheerleader. And this will be her first time cheering at state. And they are about to have a send-off for the football players. I'll show y'all a little bit of that in a minute. But I just wanted to come on and say happy Friday because I am excited. Y'all, it is time to reset. Like, if you are a teacher, an administrator, a student nutrition specialist, custodian, anything in the school. Oh, y'all, this was my gift from one of my coworkers. But anything in the school system, it is time for us all to reset, including the children. And I done talked enough. I'll see y'all in a few. Yeah.
Oh, well, you know, you pro at this. I'm a virgin at this.
Woo! All right! Woo! Y'all swear I have a son coming through here the way I am. All right, let's go Mustangs! Woo, woo, woo!
That's a fan right there. Hey, look at the fans over there.
I told y'all I cheer these boys on like my son is still playing. Your hair is beautiful.
Thank you. Yours is.
Thank you. I keep rethinking, like, do I want to take these down and go micro or, you know?
I did the same thing. I've had traditional for about 9 months.
And just like that, y'all, the send-off is done. I got Khloe to ride with her dad so that I can go to Nothing But Cake and get her a cake for tomorrow. Did I tell y'all tomorrow's Chloe's birthday? I want to get her a cake. She has to be at the school for 7:30 in the morning. That's early. Let me tell y'all about the gift that I got her. This girl has been asking me for a James Avery charm bracelet since she was 13. But I didn't think she was ready when she was 13. But she's turning 15 tomorrow, so she had a couple of years to mature a little bit more. So finally got her James Avery charm bracelet. Now we can just start filling it up as we go. She has the bracelet and she has 3 charms on the bracelet. If it wasn't all packaged, all nice and pretty, I would show y'all. I'll still show y'all because you'll be able to see when she open it. Y'all, I'm vlogging and driving and this traffic is ooh. Anyway, and then I got her Bath and Body Works Touch of Gold. Have y'all smelled that? Oh my goodness, it smells so good, but it just doesn't last very long. And with my body chemistry, it's already hard. I can only wear perfume. That's the only thing that works for me. Hold on. Hello. Oh, it's so festive. Okay, let me get a confetti buntlet. Why is cookies and cream still here? So that one is here to stay, but they took Snickerdoodle. Wow. I just cannot believe that Nothing Bundt Cake took Snickerdoodle, but that Oreo cookies and cream is here to stay. I don't understand it. That Oreo cake is not good to me, but whatever. Anywho, I wanted to do something pretty, wrap up Chloe's cake, but because of the game being tomorrow, and I think I want to wake her up with some candles in the cake, or I might just put it in this cute little bag. I know the sun is in the way, but here it is. I think I have some white tissue paper at home. If not, honey, I will just stick that cake in there. So, anywho, I am heading home. I'm hungry. We have to pick the rental car up in a couple of hours, about 2 o'clock. I will call you guys back later.
A few moments later.
Y'all, I done picked up the rental car and it is nice. This is a Hyundai. I don't know what kind of Hyundai. Y'all, I'm trying to get out of here. But anyway, picked up the rental car and now it's time to get something to eat. I'll talk to y'all later. You're not, honey. You're not grown. I don't care. Come on. No. Oh, God. Come on, show the people. Since you pulled. Let you do what? Okay, hold on. Ooh, cause I got tired of seeing that 2-tone charm bracelet from Shein. Look, y'all.
It's okay.
Yes. Okay, and then wait, that one say it's not focusing. There it is. She will not fail. Period.
Aww.
She will not fall. Fail, fall.
Thank you, Mom.
And Dad.
Thank y'all so much.
You're very welcome. And then, of course, since we're going to state, y'all, and we couldn't just do it like we wanted to, there's our birthday cake. Hey, y'all. Happy Saturday. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready because Khloe has to be at the school for 7:30. So I just wanted y'all to see. I told y'all about her charm bracelet yesterday. So I wanted y'all to see it. So let me go finish getting ready. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey, y'all. I'm about to drop my girl off. We're state bound. Woo-hoo-hoo. And it's your birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Turn me up. Turn me up. Yeah.
It's your birthday. One time for the birthday cheer.
2 times for the birthday.
Y'all, we're at Shipley. Why? Let me just say this. Why we want to put an S on everything? Because I really want to say Shipley's. But it's Shipley. Shipley Donuts. So we're at Shipley. I'm bringing donuts for the girls this morning so they can sing happy birthday.
Why you ain't bring no candles?
To Khloe. No, we don't need. You're 15. You don't need candles. But anyway. Y'all like my pony? Y'all, I'm so torn. Let me just say y'all real quick. Your girl is turning 50 in 3 months. And first of all, this is a milestone birthday. For my birthday, I always like to have a really cute hairstyle. You know, just something a little different that I don't do all the time. I've been teeter-tottering, y'all. It's like, I love my locks. I love my babies. I really do. But it's been 2 years and I have been dedicated. But it's like I want something different. I'm turning 50. I just want something that's going to be like, bam, 50 and fabulous. That's me. But I just don't know. I don't know what. It's like I want to either color the front or I want to cut them off and go back platinum blonde. I just love that platinum. Baby. Talking to my gwurlz. So anyway, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But I've come so far and they finally starting to get some real hang time. And it's like, oh, I just can't do this. I can't cut them off when they really starting to get the length now. And then, y'all, I even toyed with combing them out and restarting micro locks. I thought about that too. But then I thought about that process and I'm like, girl, please. So anyway, I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Maybe y'all could help me out. Let me know. Right now, I'll call y'all back later when we're getting on the road, heading to Dallas. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, girls. Can we sing happy birthday to Khloe?
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Khloe. Happy birthday to you.
3 hours later.
We made it. We're just in all this traffic trying to park. Look at here. There's lots over there, and we're just at this light, just chilling, waiting to turn, try and find a parking spot. Y'all, we made it. We done found parking. Just know that God is good, okay? With this parking. About to head into the stadium now. Okay, we're heading into the stadium now. Saves.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Come on, man. Come on.
You're so handsome.
I don't know who she's talking to. I have no idea.
Got all our Mustangs gear. Whoop, whoop. Oh, thank you.
It is heads. North Shore is one that calls a little fur. Duncanville will receive.
All you have to do is answer one question correctly, and you'll go home with an HEB gift card. What does UIL stand for? Is it A, University Interscholastic League, B, Universities Interscholastic League, C, University Interscholastic League, or D, Universal Interscholastic League? Most people are saying A. Is that correct? It's not B.
Mustang Nation, raise your hands as the band, color guard, Scarlets, and cheerleaders perform to the North Shore Victory Anthem. All I do is win.
Y'all, at this moment, my phone ran out of storage. I was trying to get all the aftermath of the win, but I borrowed somebody else's clip.